Today on 5th October 2020, GST Council meeting was held. Though the meeting was in news due to the deadlock between the centre and state regarding the GST compensation dues. It's still not been resolved in the meeting, but there were some important decisions taken in the meeting. Let's discuss the highlights of 42nd GST Council meeting. Major relief has been announced for small taxpayers. Taxpayers with aggregate annual turnover of less than Rs 5 crores would not be required to file monthly returns of GSTR 3B and GSTR 1 from 1st January 2021 onwards. Instead of that, they would be required to file returns on quarterly basis. Tax payment would be done on monthly basis by way of challan. The other important decision was regarding HSN codes, now being made mandatory. From 1st April 2021, taxpayers with turnover more than Rs 5 crores shall be required to mention 6-digit HSN or SAC codes on their invoices. While taxpayers with turnover less than Rs 5 crores, they shall be required to mention 4-digit HSN or SAC codes on only B2B invoices. It has also been decided in 42nd GST Council meeting that from 1st of January 2021, refund shall be paid only in a validated bank account, which is linked with PAN and Aadhaar number of the applicant. This will help in avoiding making payments to bogus companies. For composition dealers, amendment has been proposed to allow filing of nil CMP08 return through SMS facility, similar to one which is being deployed in GSTR 3B and GSTR 1 returns. CMP08 is a quarterly return to be filed by those taxpayers who are registered under composition scheme. GST 3B would soon be auto-populated. Output liability to be auto-populated from GSTR 1 return, while input tax credit details in 3B is to be auto-populated from newly introduced GSTR 2B, which would in turn be generated from GSTR 1 of the suppliers. It would be mandatory for taxpayers to file their GSTR 1 before GSTR 3B. This will help in auto-populate ITC and output liability in GSTR 3B. This facility would be applicable from 1st January 2021 for monthly return filers and from 1st April 2021 for quarterly return filing taxpayers. Now the issue for which this GST Council meeting was all over in news. GST compensation issue between states and centre is not yet resolved. It would be discussed in next GST Council meeting to be held on 12th October 2020. Government announced that compensation cess levy is to be extended beyond 5 years. Further, Rs 20,000 crore compensation would be disbursed tonight to the states. And instead of Rs 97,000 crores, Rs 1.1 lakh crore will be given in option 1 for the state's borrowing. We hope that GST compensation dispute is resolved timely and amicably. So these were the highlights of 42nd GST Council meeting. For further updates on tax and business, subscribe our channel Tax Pyramid. You can also log into www.gstsiteindia.com for tax updates. Thank you.